How to fix blurry Snapchat videos. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's begin. Launch a Snapchat app and sign into your account and look for the video which is blurry. So in order to fix this issue, first you need to ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. To refresh your connection, you can simply swipe from the top to bottom of your screen and bring the quick setting panel, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi or data and turn it back on. After refreshing your connection, you can completely close the Snapchat from the background and then reopen it to see if the issue is resolved or not. If not yet, you need to simply open Google Play Store or App Store using the search icon at bottom right corner of your screen and the search bar at top. You need to type in a Snapchat. And if there is any update available, you need to tap update button and update to the latest version. It might take a few time to be updated, so you need to wait until that. After updating your application, you need to clear the cache and data of app. Press and hold on the Snapchat icon and tap the app info icon, that is I button. Now tap on the first stop. Select first stop. Now select storage uses and then tap clear cache. You can even tap on manage the space and clear the data. And now, after done, you need to restart your device to ensure all the changes take place. Hold power button on your device and swipe towards restart. And by following this step, you should be able to fix blurry Snapchat videos. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.